So I want to tell you about the most impressive machine on Earth. Now, machine we need to define before I can get started. This is any system that converts between different forms of energy. So cars are a really good example. They take fuel and turn that into kinetic energy. Solar panels harness the energy from the sun using magical quantum mechanics. We turn that into electricity. Now, if I'm talking about machines, we also need to talk about efficiency. So solar panels and these engines have efficiencies around 50%. So half the energy actually ends up being wasted. But the most impressive machine on Earth was not created by humans. But it is inside all humans, and it's actually inside every single form of life that we're aware of. It's the molecular machine ATP synthase. And it's found in the mitochondrial membranes of our cells. Now, as the name might imply, it synthesizes ATP. So those with a bio background know ATP, energy currency of the cell. Whoa. It's basically responsible for every process that keeps us alive. Now, it harnesses energy from the mitochondrial membrane in a similar way to how we harness energy from waterfalls. So in a hydroelectric dam, there's water on one side, no water on the other side. Mitochondrial membrane, protons on one side, no protons on the other side. We can control this current and actually harness that energy and turn it into rotation. So ATP synthase has this rotating crankshaft that then drives conformational changes in what I call the energy hot pockets. Energy hot pockets. And it takes in these low energy chemical species and then turns them into this high energy fuel source. So that's our ATP. Now, we might be impressed by the fact that this even exists, the fact that there are millions of these machines in your body right now keeping you alive. But what's even more impressive is that ATP synthase has an efficiency of nearly 100%. Nearly perfect energy conversion. Now, we shouldn't be too impressed because evolution has actually been working on this for billions of years. Humans have not had that long to develop our machines. But this basically makes ATP synthase not only the most impressive machine on Earth, but also one of the oldest. Thank you.